Knock yourself out.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Agent K. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.
Oh, great.